Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking one fresh clove that's firm and odor-forward. You want flavor, not spoiled texture. Trim the tough root nub so the skin releases easily. Press the clove under the flat side of a chef's knife for 1-2 seconds to crack the peel. That step makes peeling fast and safe. Once done, remove the skin with your fingers and make sure to wash your hands or rub with salt to reduce lingering odor before continuing. You now decide how to eat it. Slice, crush, or mince to release allicin, the compound that gives the bite and health benefits. If you prefer milder taste, cook the clove for 30-60 seconds in a pan with oil. That softens sharpness while preserving aroma. If you want raw potency, eat a thin slice or crushed piece with a neutral carrier like bread or a drizzle of olive oil to avoid burning your throat. Make sure to pace yourself. Garlic can be intense. You finish by chewing the prepared clove slowly to control intensity and maximize flavor release. Small bites are better than a single large chunk. If the heat is overwhelming, sip milk or eat plain bread to neutralize capsaicin-like burn. Water alone often won't help. For lingering breath, chew fresh parsley or rinse with lemon water. If you experience stomach discomfort, stop eating garlic and have yogurt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.